Hi Lee, how's it going? Thanks for getting back. So going over your site, what I noticed right away is start your journey with us today. It's way too generic. It's better to have header that's more specific, stating your USP of what you guys do, than a subheader of how you do it, and then just having a beautiful video VSL that's showcasing all of that. And what hurts conversions is when you have two different CTAs. So I would just focus on just having one and making sure these colors match. Possibly even test two different pages for this. I see though you guys are a recruitment firm, a recruitment agency. Some of this can be stated more and more clear with a header and a video, and then I would instead get into the social proof. Social proof is the websites, landing pages who convert the most. It's the people with by far the most social proof. So I would move this up, then get into like top 3 to 5 benefits, then features, then process, and then more about your team. And then also have a fact. So your site is missing a fact. Fact is really good to just build more, to just qualify people better and just make sure the right people are using your site or, converting the way you want. So I see that you guys are you kind of do hiring processes on the site, but definitely add more social proof to increase that trust, that credibility, and add more benefits and flesh out more of what you do to build more of that authority and credibility, and that here's what we do. So I see you're on UK time. Are you available today or tomorrow, 3 p.m. UK time? Please let me know if you're available to discuss more. I'm going to send my Calendly as well. If you can use that link as well, I want to just make it as easy as possible for you. And yeah, happy to discuss more. And yeah, have a great day.